Currently in our area, 30 degrees under cloudy skies. Today, generally cloudy, patchy freezing drizzle possible, high 47. Tonight, late night thunderstorms, low 41. Chance of rain, 80%. Tuesday, windy with morning showers, thunder possible, high 45. Chance of rain, 50%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
The latest snowstorm, well, it has a name now, Wilbur. And that is going to be pounding parts of the north with several inches of snow.
Parts of the northern plains that saw heavy snow this weekend will get another dose with this system. So we're going to take a look at the areas that could see as much as 8 to 12 inches of new snow. That's straight ahead on Weather Center Live.